Welcome everyone at Escape Trailer. My name is Samuel and today we are talking about flooring. I'm very happy to be here with Linda. Linda is one of our configuration specialists, so she would be helping you with the build sheet and with all your questions. Thank you for joining us, Linda.
Thank you for having me.
So first up, in terms of flooring, so we have 7 different choices that are part of our standard package. And tell us a little bit about the material and the benefit of that sort of flooring.
Yeah, absolutely. So we've chosen to use a vinyl flooring. All of our flooring products, for the most part, are made by Mannington. We find vinyl is super durable, easy to clean. You don't have to worry about bringing a vacuum cleaner with you to, clean up dirt or dust. You can just use your broom, sweep the dirt outside nice and easy, and you can get on camping. You don't have to worry about cleaning your trailer.
Okay, so we have a bit of a selection of different floorings, and like holding it and sort of touching it, I find it quite helpful to make a selection, what I would be liking. If a customer wants to receive one of these ones, how would they go about?
Yeah, so you can always give us a call and we're happy to send out samples to you, or also via our website. There's a link that you can click on to request samples to be mailed to you.
Okay.
And that being said, if you don't like what we have to offer here, you're welcome to customize.
Absolutely. In terms of customization, you would reach out to Linda or Jolie, our configuration specialist, and then talk about the square footage, and also very important, where to purchase it from. Can you explain that?
Yeah, absolutely. So we would ask that you work with our flooring supplier. They'll be able to make recommendations to you on, what products work best with our trailer. They'll be able to help you figure out how many square feet you'll require as well.
The flooring is one of the first parts to be put into an escape trailer after the fiberglass shell is completed. The customer chooses one of the 7 standard floorings. We measure it out and then we'll cut it. If the customer provides their own flooring, we will make sure that any leftovers are provided with the unit for the customer for the future. Speaking of the samples order form, which is online, the advantage of that form, and you find it currently under personalization, what that does is you can choose a flooring, but then you can also choose the formica, the trim, the cushions, and we kind of send you a little parcel with all these little goodies, and you can lay it out at home a bit like we do today and see what works best for you. Okay, so yeah, escape trailer built for you, and you have the choice.